Hello, my name is Akim, and today we will be talking about recursion programming technique. This video is mainly made for Gearing Up application 2019 summer. However, if you have any problems understanding recursion, I hope this video helps. So, for you who already have some experience in programming, you might know about iteration method. Iteration is a process where certain instructions are repeated for a certain number of times or until certain condition is met. For example, while hungry, keep eating a french fry. Pretty easy to understand. Recursion is similar in the sense that it also includes repetition, but repetition is achieved by calling the function inside of a function. It might be hard to understand at first, but let's look at an example. Imagine you want to do some factorial calculations. And for those who are not aware of factorials, examples are 3 factorials equals 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, 4 factorial equals 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, and etc. And the only tool you have is a special robot that only has 3 functions. First function is that it will return 1 if you give it number 1. The second function is to first store the number given and then call an identical robot and give the second robot the original number, -1. Whoever watched Rick and Morty, think about Mr. Meeseeks. I hope this analogy can help. Lastly, the third function, we will talk about it at the end of this presentation. So, let's say you want to do 3 factorial, and you give it to the robot. The robot understands it's not 1, therefore it stores the value, and then it gives the next robot value 2. This robot understands it's not 1, hence it stores value 2 and gives value 1 to the third robot. The third robot understands, oh well, it's 1, hence I can just return the value back to the second robot. And here, that's where the third function comes into play. Since the final number is 1, the robot will just return 1 to the previous robot, robot B, let's say. Robot B takes the value given by robot C and multiplies it by the stored value. Robot B then sends this value to the robot A and the process repeats. So as you can see, 2 multiplied by 1 inside of this robot B and 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 inside of robot A, and that is your factorial. And this can be written as Python code. So here we have a factorial function, and think of a function as a robot. If number given is 1, it just returns 1. But if it is not 1, it multiplies the given number and then calls the same function, but instead of giving it n, it gives it n minus 1. And now you might have a question, why we use recursion? Well, recursion is much better than iteration for problems that can be broken down into multiple smaller pieces. Precisely, in divide and conquer method using recursion can reduce your problem greatly. Also, recursion is more elegant in some cases and easier to understand. Hence, recursion is a viable programming technique that you should be able to understand and use whenever it is needed. Thank you.